was my first ever diesel launch.
Well, see what's going on down here at PDF Automotive. Well guys, we stopped down here at PDF Automotive. Going to meet up with Durtymax Jack.
Look at that. That was like the quickest transition ever.
No doubt. Gonna take him for a spin in the race truck. See what his reactions are. We might have to get some Z06 on Power Stroke action one of these days.
I'm sure that my reactions are going to be incredibly priceless because I've never been out in what is a more distinct race truck, let's just say, versus that of like my lifted Durtymax with an S369, which is probably nearly as fast as this thing. I can't wait.
His turbo is about twice as big as mine, but I don't think he'd hold a candle to this bad boy.
No, I don't think that I could, nor that I don't think that I would try, honestly. but maybe the Z06 in Mexico one day we could make something work.
Yeah, definitely. What do you guys think? Maybe a dig race?
I'm down. I'm definitely down. Once it warms up a little bit. Mexico's a little chilly lately, you know.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's not really like up to my fancy. So I got to say that this is my first time in what is considered or defined as a legitimate race truck. So I'm excited.
Yeah, man. I think it's gonna surprise you.
I'm glad you came down today, dude. This day turned into something way more epic than I was anticipating it to be. Dude, you are invested in this thing, man. You're making it work. I love it, dude.
Yeah,
I'm excited for you, dude. That's awesome.
I want to make this thing go 10s, honestly. I'm gonna build my own fiberglass hood and shit for it.
Nice. That'll be so sick.
Honestly, but it went way faster than I ever thought it would.
See, there's just something that's so cool about a fast diesel truck.
Oh, I know. This thing, I mean, other than the slicks, it looks like a piece of shit pretty much.
Total sleeper, man. The ultimate sleeper. I'm anxious.
Like I said, I mean, for what it is, it's fast.
What's going on, guys? So I am Durtymax Jack, if you don't follow my YouTube channel already, and if you haven't subscribed to 717 Diesel Addicts, then you definitely have to, because this channel is going to be action-packed as we progress through 2018. And ultimately, we got our good man Dom over here, your host, who's got this wild power stroke that he paid probably a few pennies for, and it's fast as hell. It's absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
So we were already out once, and you guys saw probably that footage already. If you haven't seen it yet, you're gonna see it soon. How about that kind of perspective? And I was like, dude, like, we gotta go back out, because I freaking love this thing. So I'm gonna probably film a few reactions for you guys, just to give you a sense of flavor of what it's like to be inside what is a stock turbo power stroke with slicks on it that launches harder than hell. It's awesome.
That's what this truck's built for.
She's built to boosted launch. I dig it, boys.
Absolutely.
Here we go. All right, 2 hands on the camera. Head back. Holy shit. Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah, we left a little hard that time.
Yeah, it just spun. It just spun so hard. We launched really hard those first 2 times, though, man. I'd say the second one was probably the best.
Yeah.
What do you think it makes power-wise?
Oh, I would say around 750, maybe.
Around 750. Nice.
I don't know. It's hard to say.
It definitely feels. I mean, dude, honestly. So, you know, just comparing it to what my diesel experience is, and I don't like floor my truck ever. The only time I think that I ever did was at the YouTube call out. But man, it feels like a whole different animal.
No doubt.
That's awesome. She lays clouds too, man. That's like the best way to kill the mosquitoes in Mexico.
Well, when you put big old injectors on a stock turbo, that's what you got to do.
That's what happens, right?
Absolutely.
See, when you roll coal this way, you have a good excuse. You're not just doing it to just do it. You're doing it because you're moving.
That's right.
You're getting out of the way. Now I'm holding 2 cameras, so I'm sure that this is going to be a bumpy ride. I'm going to put my head back this time.
No shit handles to hold on to now.
Hopefully the GoPro doesn't hit me in the face. so it didn't go flying off, because I swore it was just gonna like hit me in the face. Holy shit, dude. Well, dude, I gotta thank you very much for taking me out for riding this thing today. It was absolutely awesome, man. I gotta say that if I had a budget for a diesel race truck, I would definitely make it happen. But I bought a Z06 to go fast.
That was probably the smarter move, honestly.
It was the cheaper alternative to building a diesel, because I got to the point where I was like, all right, S369 turbo stock trans, I could make my truck real fast, capable of 800 horsepower.
Right.
But then I'm gonna break shit.
Oh yeah, it's never ending. With
And then it's like you're in a toxic marriage that just, you know, it's cheaper to keep her kind of deal. You know?
No doubt.
Thanks, buddy. It's been a good time,
man. Hell yeah.
I enjoyed it.
All right, we're gonna get out of here. See you, Jack.
See you guys.
See you, Brad.
See you.
Have a good day, guys.
It was definitely fun.